Here's a video tutorial on how to remove or replace side mirror glass on Mercedes-Benz A, B, C, E-Class and many others in 6 easy steps. The glass can be removed from the mirror without removing the mirror housing, but there is a risk of breaking it when you unclip it. So, here is a safer method of removing the mirror glass without breaking it. The video was made on a Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 from 2012. You don't have to move the mirror like this, we just do that for a better angle to film it. 1. Remove the door mirror cover starting with the lower part. First, you have to pull from the lower part towards you and then lift it up. Then pull from the upper left corner until you hear a click and do the same for the right corner. You will need a trim tool. You can find trim tool set in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Two, pull the mirror glass out from the motor, releasing it from the clamps. Three, remove the wires from the mirror glass. You can find mirror glass for Mercedes-Benz in the video description below. You can look for the Mercedes-Benz mirror glass using the serial number A31594744. 4. Connect those 2 wires back on the new mirror glass. Five, install the mirror glass back. 6. Install the mirror cover. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.